Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from any prep, tools you'll need to do the job, or fitment to get the perfect look, plus a few helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get it in gear and get started. Today we're going to be installing these smoked marker lights, and if you didn't already notice, they're already on the car. However, somehow we missed out getting footage on that, so we're gonna do it over for you today. We're installing these form lights, and something to know about the form lights is the back are marked with either a yellow dot or a red dot. The red dot is to signify the rear for your brake lights, and the front is the amber light for the marker up front. That's important to know, as well as on the back, whether you have the left or the right, is notified at the end of the part number with an L or an R. To do this install, you'll be needing a simple pry tool, a 7mm wrench, and a straight screwdriver. Let's get started. To get started, you'll want to remove the two 7mm bolts in here, and then using your trim removal tool, prying out this pin on the bottom. To remove these kinds of body clips, you want to pop up the center, which will take the pressure off of these legs, allowing you to then pry it out. Next, you'll want to unplug the wiring harness from the light, like so. Since we don't have a plastic trim removal tool, we will be marking off our paint just to ensure that we don't get any scratches while we're changing out our light. The top of the light will come out, and then you slide upward to remove your light. So you want to start by putting the bottom in first and pushing the top into place like so. Plugging the light back in. After you plug it in, before you replace your hardware, make sure to start the car and give it a test before you put everything back together. All right, now that we've confirmed the light works, you can work on putting everything back how you found it. In order to reach the front marker light, we will be turning the wheels out of the way. To get started, we will remove these body clips. So once this is out of the way, remove the plug. That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.